Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of ln8 equals to capital 8. So capital 8, that is about s to the power of s. And this one, we need to transform a into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So capital A in here, that is about s. Capital B in here, that is about s on the power. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the we have the next formula in here. That is about Taylor series. So we have like this: e to the power of s equals to 1 plus s over 1 factorial plus s squared plus over 2 factorial, and so on. So in this situation, we can write like this. Now, in this one, we need to change s into this one. So I will put this one going here. About this summation and n factorial, I will put outside. And s multiplied by ln s to the power of n, I will put in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about negative u equals to ln s. Later that, we put e for the both sides. And this one, we have s. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative e to the power of negative u du equals to ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 cone here, and then we have negative infinity. However, we have another negative side, negative and negative. We have u approach to positive infinity. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 cone here, and we can find the value of u equals to number 0. So number 0 we change by positive infinity. and number 1 we change by number 0. So S we change by this one. L and S we change by negative U. The S we change by this one. So because we have the negative in here, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. So this one we have negative U to the power of n, and we have negative un. Because negative u multiplied by n, we have negative un. And u we can do about factorization. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to u multiplied by 1 plus n. Next, we divide both sides by 1 plus n. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. Next, we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 0, so t equal to number 0. When u goes to positive infinity, so t will go to positive infinity. This one I can put into negative number 1 to the power of n, u to the power of n. So this one we change by t. About u we change by this one. The u we change by this one. So I will put 1 plus n to the power of n, and 1 plus n go outside. This one go outside. Next, we have the formula in here equals to gamma n plus 1 or equals to n factorial. So I will put this one go in here, and now we can simplify. This is the end. Thank you for watching.